Hi, welcome to How to Master English Pronunciation in 7 Days. I am Ogunrinde Tunde Abdulghaneey, popularly called Mr. Euphony. In this program, I'm going to be teaching you 7 steps for you to master English pronunciation. And we're going to be doing this in 7 days, okay? But today, we want to look at some sounds, okay? So, after learning these sounds, it will be very easy for you to pronounce some English words. It will be very easy for you to pronounce up to 30 words without dictionary, okay? So I'm going to pronounce the sound now, and you have to repeat it after me, okay? Listen and repeat after me. S, s, a, t, t, e, p, ear. Alright, I want you to use all these sounds to transcribe these words. Okay? So after that, I want you to pause it and I want you to listen to the correction. Now, I want you to listen to the correction. So listen to the words and repeat after me. Pan, sat, tap, in, tin, not in, not tin, in, tin, pin, insist, is, not is, is, nap, nip, pants, snap, snip, pasta, or you say pasta, pass, or you say pass, sap, tip, sip, ear, near, pin, tan, ant, sin, not seen, sin, spin, it's, the first one, it's, and the second, it's, an, pat,